Hey guys, so today is my last day of ever being 28. Ever again in my entire life. Actually, the day I post this video will be my birthday, but right now while filming it, my last time being 28. Super weird. Also, I'm doing the 12 Days of Vlogmas and I realized not a lot of the videos so far have been actual vlogs. So that's another reason why I decided to actually vlog today and just like, you know, share my last moments of being 28. It's actually already the afternoon because I had to get up early to go to the DMV this morning. So I was a bit of a tornado and this is what the place is looking like. I've been really good at keeping my new place clean. So don't judge me. This is just, I mean, it's not that bad. It's just not like good. So I'm gonna start off by cleaning up my apartment a little bit real quick. And then we will head on down to the gym because I gotta get my workout in. I don't want my last day of being 28 to be without, you know, my fitness.
Next level.
That only took me like 10 minutes, if that. And we're back in a clean and organized state. And oh, Louise came out to play. Were you hiding in the closet? She loves taking naps in the closet. Louise, are you happy? Are you so happy? Did you come to say hi to your friends? Yeah, you did? Good. What a good girl. So also guys, I was thinking about making Louise merch. What are your thoughts on that? Would you be interested in like Louise shirts or Louise mugs or something like that? Because everyone loves Louise. Okay, my gym clothes are on. It's time to do the dang thing. We are trying to make you guys balance. Pre-workout, okay. I am all about taking pre-workout, but I've been having people say, don't use this stuff. I don't have opinions on that. I mean, I like how it works. I guess they say that there's like a lot of additives or something like that. But I do have a friend, he has his own pre-workout line, so he's supposed to be sending me some of that. And I'm really excited to try it out, but for now, I just have so much of this left that I'm like, you know, this cost me like 30 bucks or something. I'm not just gonna waste it. And I need my pre-workout. Also, as of yesterday, I've been at my new place for 2 weeks. It's kind of crazy. Time sure does fly, and in less than a week, I'm going home to Washington. And I'll be in Washington for 2 weeks, so by the time I get back, it'll be like it's all new again. Don't worry, my friend is staying here and watching Louise. Everyone's always concerned about Louise. I take really good care of Louise. You do not have to worry about her. And if you don't see her in a video, it's because she likes to hide all the time. She likes to nap in random places and I don't know where she's at, and then all of a sudden she'll pop out and be like, meow, meow. I was thinking today I'm gonna work out of one of the amenities. I've actually yet to do that because it's been so hectic. I'm gonna take my laptop down and edit from there. And I might actually go get a massage today because I wanted to get one on my birthday tomorrow, but I have so much to do tomorrow that I don't know if I'll have time. So I might just go get that today. And I'm also gonna go to Forever 21 or someplace to find a birthday party outfit. Oh, there's Louise. Yeah, that's what she does. She hides and then she just pops out of nowhere. She's cute, I know. Okay, let's go work out. workout is done. I got a little bit sweaty, but luckily my hair is like not bad, so I'm not gonna wash that again. I think I'm gonna hop in the bath real quick just to wash my body off. To appreciate how huge this bathtub is. Okay, so this is me sitting straight up with my back against the back of it, and it comes up to my chin. That's how deep it is. And then my feet are fully stretched out. Like this is luxury. I love it. Okay, so I'm bathed and got ready for the day. Well, for the second time, because I did that this morning too. But I thought right now would be a good time to announce the giveaway for today. Today's giveaway is this It Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It is the Naturally Pretty Matte Luxe Transforming Eyeshadow Palette. It's full size. I got it a few weeks ago and I was planning to give it away, but it was in the midst of the move and the packaging got a few little dents. It is still fine though. It's in completely brand new condition. Has all these colors, and you'll also be getting these 3 brushes. So that's today's prize. So to win this, you must be subscribed, click the like button, and then leave in the comments what state or country you are from, your Instagram handle or email so I can contact the winner easily. And then also let me know how long have you been subscribed to me, and if you can remember, let me know what video made you subscribe to my channel, because I really want to know. That interests me. So yeah, do that and you will be entered to win this palette and these brushes. And this palette itself retails for around $42, so happy entering. Okay, so I've been here for 2 weeks and this is my first time actually hanging out in one of the amenities to get my work done. I'm actually gonna start to edit this vlog and then I have to plan plan what I'm gonna do for my party in 2 days. See, it's really funny. When I was in high school, I was a huge slacker. I mean, I had ADHD, I didn't know it, couldn't pay attention. But now, if I'm gonna do something, I go all out. I can't just say come over for my birthday housewarming. And then it's just people hanging out, doing whatever. I'm looking into catering, might do the fancy dessert platter, an assortment of bite-sized cold sweet cream items, cream puffs, mousses, and tarts. That sounds good. So that's what I'm trying to figure out right now. Also gonna go to Costco, get a bunch of bulk things, but I'm excited, woo! Party planning. Also, this room's super cool. It's like a fancy schmancy living room.
A few moments later.
And it is now dark outside, but I have gotten a good amount of my video edited together. It's just pieced together. I still have to do all the special stuff with it. Isn't that weird? You already just saw all of this in this video. Don't forget to enter the giveaway, but got some work done, so that's good. Productive last day of being 28. And then I did want to walk originally to go get a massage, but I just don't feel like walking in the dark. It's a really safe area. I just, it's a little chilly at night, so I'm gonna drive there, but I want a massage because I don't think I'm gonna have time to do it tomorrow. So 28-year-old Annie is getting one last massage before she's no longer this age. In the closet again. That's all you like to do. That's all you ever like. Oh, stretch after your nap. Ooh, get that good stretch. Ooh, do some flips. So it's almost 8 o'clock and I just got back from my massage. Okay, I thought, yeah, I'm pretty sure I probably had a Thai massage before because I've had, I've gotten massages in my life and I have not until today. had a Thai massage. It was one of those where the lady climbs up on you and is walking all over you and you're in your underwear and she's twisting you into a pretzel. So I was not expecting that. Not saying it wasn't good, but I was not expecting that. I was like, yep, she's walking all over me right now. Yep, I am just in my underwear and she is trying to put my leg over my head. Okay. It was interesting. I mean, I'd probably go back, to be honest. But yeah, that was part of my birthday present from my parents. They sent me some money specifically to pamper myself. I'm gonna get a pedicure tomorrow and maybe go to a play, like a live theater play. That'll be really fun. But wait, what time is it? It's almost 8, like I said, and I still have to go to the mall. My friend Allie is going to help me pick out a birthday party outfit, even though I'm really just tired and want to sit and watch TV. But nope, gotta get things done.
Drove the gates, feeling anxious around 12 a.m. Just move, but might move it all out again. This feel like deja vu. Swear last year my brain bought the same thoughts through. I blame the things I do. Only difference is I ain't in school. You heard that news? I flip birdies to these worms in suits. See, getting moved in a couple months.
Home again, and it's actually now after midnight, so it's officially my birthday. I am now 29. Happy birthday to me. There are a few things that I want to say because I know a lot of people freak out about getting older. I know that I used to freak out about getting older, and I know still some people age shame. It's weird, but they do. Like, oh, you're getting old. Do you know people like that? Because I do. They make fun of people for getting older when that's like the one thing that happens to everyone, unless you sadly lose your life early. Like, it's inevitable. We're all gonna get older. So why make that a bad thing? Why put people down for that? They've actually done studies on the fact that people who focus on their age and getting older and stress about it, their cells actually age quicker. So if you wanna slow down the rate at which your cells age, stop focusing so much on aging. I know not everybody does, but I used to. I used to be so freaked out by getting older because I always wanted to stay a kid. I never wanted to grow up, but I feel younger than ever, to be honest, and it doesn't matter what age I am. I honestly feel like I'm at that point in my life where when I do become like an elderly person, I'm gonna be one of those like super youthful, happy, like playful old people that you see and you're like, oh, I hope to be like them when I'm that age. It doesn't matter what age I am. It's not something to focus on. So yeah, I feel young. I feel younger and happier than I did when I was in my early 20s. So that's good. I'm very appreciative to get to this place in my life where I'm, you know, just happy. And also, let's get Louise. Louise, this is her first birthday spent with me because I got her last January. So I've actually almost had her a full year. Stay with me. No, that is rude, Louise. It's my birthday. Why don't you make me feel special? Anyway, I'm really tired. I need to get this video finished, and I think the next video you see will be a combo vlog of my actual birthday and my birthday party and everything that's going into that. I'm throwing my first party at my new place. That'll be fun. But that's all I have for you today, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye, guys. So, Louise, you just want to be up on the counter? Is that what you're doing? I'm vlogging today, so that should be up tomorrow. It's my last day of being 28. It's so weird. No, it's not. I feel like I'm still like 21, so it's okay. You're so cute.